Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing a fun video, and I kind of call all of my videos fun, but this is actually going to be a fun video because we're going to be doing a brand new unboxing for a new subscription that I signed up for, which is the Sweet July box. So if you guys know me, you guys know that I love the Curry family. Like, that is my family. And so when I got the opportunity to sign up for the Sweet July subscription box, I had to jump on it. So we got our box in the mail, and I know it's filled with a bunch of goodies. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna just jump right into it. Oh, ooh, okay, so good stuff here, you guys. Okay. So for one, I love that it actually has the Sweet July name all over the inside of the box and not like on the little frilly papers. Only because for one, we saving the planet, sis. But for two, I always throw that stuff away. And I think it's just super cute because, you know, the branding, sis, we gotta keep it on point. So the first thing that I see here is a bag, and it says INALA. And I'm not 100% sure what INALA is. So, okay, let me say before I actually go ahead and start unboxing everything, I did see on the actual Instagram page like a little bit of snippets of what would be in the box. That was probably like a whole month ago, sis, so I really did forget. So this is gonna be a literal first impression. Ooh, it's a little card in here. So, oh, this is actually Lala's brand. Look, it's Lala's brand, you guys. So this here is a hair oil. I know Lala's doing something with the hair, girl. I know it's something with the hair. So this is a power potion. So it's a rice water complex scalp health and hair growth serum. Oh my goodness, this is so cool. Oh my gosh, first impressions, I'm deadass, I'm excited. So this is actually supposed to promote hair growth as well as stimulating the scalp and just helping you have some like nice, luscious, long, beautiful, thick hair. So it comes with this little scalp massager, which I'm so excited for. Y'all, I almost bought one of these off of Amazon. I'm so glad I waited, oh my gosh. So this product is going to help encourage healthy hair starting from the roots all the way to the tips. And this is like one of the most exciting things that I've probably gotten for my hair. As you guys can see, today we're just kind of doing a little craziness, but I am so excited to give these two a try. So we have that. So the next thing that we have is a Sweet July coffee blend. And this is actually from the Sweet July store. If you guys don't know, Ayesha Curry opened up her Sweet July store in downtown Oakland in 2019. And I've actually had the pleasure of going into the store and just feeling that atmosphere. Because you guys, if you guys are in the Bay Area and if you love coffee or just like love vibes, definitely check it out. But I have a little sample here of some coffee to try. So this is a single serving, so Jordan unfortunately cannot try any, but this is like a really good treat because I actually was gonna make a cup of coffee before I started this video. All right, so the next thing that we have here is called Daily Love, and these are a multivitamin for women with extra support for immunity, managing stress, food cravings, and PMS. Ooh, okay. I actually have stopped taking vitamins because I was taking the chewy kind and I felt like I need to grow up a little bit. So I'm glad that these are in here because I do need to get back into that and make sure that I have some, you know, good nutrients going into my body. Oh, I love journals. Oh my gosh, you guys, I love journals. I have been in a journal chokehold, and this right here is the 52 list for bravery. Journaling inspiration for courage, resilience, and inner strength. Oh, and it is so cute. Like, look at that. I love this. This is something that I feel like I would love to just look at. Look, this is the first page I flipped to, and this is just beautiful. This just shows that I'm gonna love this. Okay, oh, look, it's home. This book has a bunch of different interactive activities for you to do. So if you know me and if you've seen some of my videos, you know that I have a morning routine in which I love to journal, and I'm always looking for new journals, but I'm definitely looking for the ones that are a little bit more meaningful, that help me, you know, create a routine, but also, you know, just identify things about myself, especially as I get older. So I'm so excited. I'm so, like, I'm gonna say I'm so excited, y'all, because I'm really so excited. Ooh, something little, something little. So this says, by Cherie. I think that's how you say it. Ooh, is this, okay, wait, what is this for? Maybe this is a bracelet. Ooh, so this is the bracelet. That's cute. And I love gold. Gold is like my complementary tone. If I could have any kind of color, it would definitely be gold. So very happy to have this. What is this? Oh, some Sweet July Go Wipes. So this is like something that you would like want to keep in your purse, or if you're traveling, you know, just something to keep fresh with. But it says that there's 25 in each pack, and I have 3 packs, which is super nice. This is nice, a little bit of variety. So I love that, I love that. So this says it is beverage cooling stones and coasters. I gotta open this right now. These are a little bit like heavy, so this is like some good quality. And again, the Sweet July logoing all over the box. I love this. This is definitely curated specifically for Sweet July, so that makes it feel a little bit special because I'm a part of the club. Oh, there's 2 things in here. Okay, let's see. These are big. Oh, these are some good coasters. Look at these, you guys. I'm shocked that she's giving this type of stuff in a subscription box. Like, I would have probably paid the price of the subscription box for just these alone. So the fact that I'm getting all of these goodies, you guys, I'm liking this. And so it says it's cooling, so I'm assuming that it can keep my drinks cool. I'm assuming, I'm not 100% sure. And then what are these? What are these? Oh, these some rocks. What are these? Are these ice cubes? No, they're not ice cubes. I'm sure they're not ice cubes. But they're cooling stones. So I wonder, am I supposed to put it in my drink? Oh no! One of them broke. One of them's a little bit broken. Like, am I supposed to put these in my drink? I gotta do a little bit more research on these. I don't know what they do just yet, but I know they're good qualities. All right, and our last and a final item in the box is a oh my gosh, this is what I wanted, you guys. This is what I really signed up for. This glass tumbler. Like, I'm so excited. I love it. I love it. I love it. I knew I was gonna love it. I knew I was gonna love it. But you guys, this is the glass tumbler. It is so cute. It's so lightweight. Like, it's not a heavy glass. I definitely cannot let Jordan touch this, not even to wash it. He breaks everything. It's a nice size. It's fit a nice ice drink. I'm gonna put my Sweet July coffee in here once I make it. But it even comes with a nice brush for you to clean out your straw, which is so important. And I feel like this just fits the entire Sweet July aesthetic. Like, they're a coffee shop, they're a lifestyle shop, they're a wellness shop. They have everything there. So I really, really think that as far as all these items go, it makes a lot of sense for the brand itself. And it just fits the vibes, girl. It just fits the vibe. So as far as the subscription box goes, I think this is an amazing box to have come to your house every quarter, especially when you like forget about it and then all of a sudden it's just at your door. Like, getting these items are definitely gonna put a smile on your face. But that is it for my first Sweet July unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you guys liked anything that you saw here or are interested in signing up for the box, I will leave a link down in the description box so that way you can go ahead and sign up, because for $70, girl, I think that's worth it. I think it's worth it. But make sure to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. I will link those down below as well, so that way you can easily click and follow. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, girl. I do post every Tuesday and every Friday, but if you can't remember that, just go ahead and hit that notification bell and you will get notified every time I do post a video. And I will see you guys in my next one.